Exynos variant Galaxy S22 Ultra is shockingly bad. Also in the leaks, we have the Galaxy A53 5G that has been listed on the Play console, and also we got new color option with a new processor. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with another video. So guys, today is a day when Galaxy S22 series is available to purchase in few regions. As always, from the past couple of years, we have seen the Snapdragon and Exynos variants for both the S and the Note series, and now the Note series is dead. We have the S series, which is also coming with two different processors. In the past few days, Samsung is delivering the S22 Ultra to all those earlier buyers for both the Snapdragon and the Exynos variant in their respective region. But it turns out in past few days, all those earlier adopters for the Exynos variant, they found out that there was a screen flickering issue in the Galaxy S22 Ultra when they have a screen setting of 1440p QHD plus natural color option mode. Many users also reported that the device overall performance is slow in the same Exynos SoC. They also found out that there is a lag in the screen when they use and touch on the screen. So basically this is one of the worst case scenario that has been tried for the Exynos 2200 processor in the S22 Ultra. I did not expect from a company like Samsung to have these issues right from the start before the launch of the device. And Samsung did acknowledge about that problem and promised to provide you a software update which will fix this issue. But unfortunately, we did not hear any date and time when they are going to do it. But according to Sam Mobile, Samsung did roll out an update today of 800 MB in Germany, as it expects to carry in other European countries in a few days. Even though the update brings some improvement in the box mixing stability, but unfortunately the screen glitch problem is still there. Another big issue found in the Exynos 2200 S22 Ultra is the camera performance. A test has been performed on the camera's performance for both the S22 Ultra, Snapdragon and the Exynos variant. It turns out that the Exynos variant performance was even worse and the video was bad. There was a grain in the low light and also there was a worse stabilization in the Exynos variant. Definitely this is not great from Samsung. I believe if Exynos has a problem, they must not have added in the S22 Ultra. On the other hand, Snapdragon variant was the best in all departments. When you spend a $1,200 for a phone and it has a problem right from the start, it is ridiculous. And guys, fingers are crossed right now. We have to wait and see what this new software update will bring and whether the issue will be resolved using the software update or not. And moving forward, the Samsung Galaxy A53 5G has been listed on the Google Play console with Exynos 1200 unannounced chipset. Also, the A53 specification leak has been arrived and possibly we are expected to see a new processor inside the Galaxy A53. There is no significant difference in terms of design for the A53 devices. And here we are also expected to see 4 different color options, in which orange color that is going to be the new one that is expected for the A53. And yesterday we also saw the spec sheet for the A53, in which we are going to see a 6.52 inch of Super AMOLED, 120Hz of refresh rate, 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage. We're also going to see 64 megapixel of main camera sensor, 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 25 megapixel sensor as well. Also with a massive 5000 battery and a 25-watt charging support inside, which is pretty basic step. So guys, overall as far as the A53 is concerned, only the processor and the IP68 rating has been new one. Other than that, all those specifications are going to be pretty much same as the last year. So guys, I am super angry. So guys, that is it in this particular video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion on the problems that are coming in the Exynos processor? Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. Peace.